Hi guys, just a quick vlog over here. This is Cutlass 22974. I'm on carriage number 782M. This is a Siemens Nexas train. Actually, since I've got the whole carriage to myself, basically, I might just do a quick, just a vlog. So, this is the Flinders Street service, first of all. Just about this train. I might just do a vlog about this train anyway. So, this type of train entered service on the Metropolitan network in 2003, and the last entered service in 2006. And there's another one of these trains just passing to the right of me on the Werribee service. So, this train has really good covers, as you can see over here.
Now arriving
Pretty good,
at
nice and comfortable. But another thing with these trains was back in, I think it was 2006. These trains had most of this fleet became defective because of the brakes on this train. And speed restrictions were limited on this train. This train was also fitted with sanding equipment in the middle carriage. As you can definitely see over here, these trains are very prone to graffiti. Sorry I had to show this to you guys, but this station is Spotswood. You can get off here for Science Works just down the road over here. You'll see once we pass a level crossing. I'll show you. So to the right this way, down the road, towards the end, and then to the right is Science Works. As you can probably hear, this train is absolutely quiet, and it's well insulated from outdoors. Next stop will be Yarraville. Let's see by the sign. I'll just zoom in for you guys. Just the headboard over here. You know, you got your basics. You got the destination board. You got the handrails. You got your seats. And this is the only type of train in the system to feature 2 doors per side, where they're front doors. They're the widest doors in the system. And show you guys around a little bit. Not that way because there's a lot of people. This train is, like I said before, very quiet. As you heard from the announcement, the next station is Yarraville. You got it. You got the seats over here. You got the map over here. Then you got the basics. The seats, walls. This is for wheelchair passengers. Might just open the door for you guys, so you can see how these doors work. There's a passenger coming in right now. I'm closing for you guys instead. Sorry for the shakiness from the floor. There's a horn. So at the front of this train, there's like 2 horn things on top. Those are for, correct me if I'm wrong, but they're for train radio systems. So every part of the Siemens Nexas fleet is fitted with them. yeah, I think that's about it. Next station will be Seddon, followed by Footscray, North Melbourne, South Kensington, Southern Cross, and South Kensington, North Melbourne, Southern Cross, and Flinders Street. So yeah, since that's all I've got to say, I guess.
At Seddon.
Next station Seddon. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and favorite the video. And yeah, I will see you all guys next time. Goodbye for now.